In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you get the new WhatsApp calling features. First thing you have to do is check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp. After app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Meta is rolling out their latest calling features to recent app updates, so keeping WhatsApp up to date is the most important step. Next up, clear app cache. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Go ahead and click on Offload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Now hit back. Then navigate to the option Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. After updating everything, restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or use a strong mobile data connection, as WhatsApp may need to communicate with its servers before newly released features appear. Keep in mind that WhatsApp releases new features gradually. Even if you're using the latest version, features such as call transfer, WhatsApp web calling, and other calling enhancements may not appear immediately for every account or reason. If you don't see them yet, you will simply need to wait until the rollout reaches your account. Lastly, you can back up WhatsApp data and uninstall it and reinstall it. Launch WhatsApp, go to You page, click on Chats, then click on Chat Backup, click on Backup Now. Once you complete the backup process, completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.